listen to that howl. There's the end of Norfolk Southern 127. Norfolk Southern 127 heading west. That ace was howling like a wolf there. Because I had no idea what that was right there. Because it's a very loud howl on that ace right there that was leading. So NS 127 is heading west. That's going to follow 15T down to Knoxville on the Saturday, May 30th, 2026, from Nayland Marshall on YouTube or Facebook. That howl was loud, ain't it? Yeah, I think it is. So that's how loud it is. So that's going to be it right now. All right. Comes the next video. Roll it. Last train for the day, so roll it.